In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing on your Windows 11 device. There might be a number of reasons why you don't see the Wi-Fi icon in your network section. If I just try to connect my Wi-Fi, I don't see the Wi-Fi status. I don't see any option of Wi-Fi. It shows me accessibility, project, and other options except the Wi-Fi. To get it back, simply click on your Windows icon to head to your settings. You will then select on this option of Network and Internet. Head to the Advanced Network settings. On the first option of Wi-Fi, make sure to tap on Enable. Your Wi-Fi icon will get back successfully. You can now tap right here to manage your Wi-Fi connections. If you still don't see your Wi-Fi icon, after following all the steps I have shared, make sure to restart your computer. This resolves various system errors and glitches, restoring the system state and optimal performance, which will reset network settings, resolving connectivity issues, and preventing potential system crashes by keeping the system refreshed and stable. That's how easy it is to fix your Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows 11 operating system. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.